There's an option inside of Instagram that lets you take a post and share it directly to your Instagram story. So this way, if you've posted something anytime in the past, you could go ahead and share that right to your story. If it's your first time here, I make easy to follow social media and tech videos 5 times a week, so please consider subscribing. So let's go to any post that we like to share. So I'll just click this post and I want to share this to my story. So all I got to do is press share right here. And then there's a new option on top. So this was a way to share it with other people, but now there's an option called add post to your story. Now this is relatively new, so if you don't see this when you watch this video, give it a little bit of time, update your Instagram, and then you should see this. Go ahead and press that, and it'll create this kind of frame for Instagram story. And here you could change a lot of things here. You could go ahead and resize this and put it somewhere else. I'm just gonna make it how it was. I could select the highlighter right there on top, select the first highlighter option, change the color to green here on the bottom, and then press and hold in the color area and it'll change the background. So if I want a blue, for example, I'll choose blue, press and hold, and it does it, and press done. That changes the background. You could go ahead and add stickers, so you could do polls or this emoji slider. That's pretty cool. You could put that on top here. And there is a video on my page that shows you how to use these sliders and take polls on Instagram. And then you could go ahead and just send it to your story. I'll just press your story here and it'll send it to my story. So now if I go to this page and if I click my story, there it is. So now I could use the slider and it's just a regular story post from a regular Instagram post. So this way, if you don't use stories much and you've been using posts, you could now go back through your post and share those to your story. I hope you found this helpful. Please give this a like and subscribe to this channel. I post Instagram videos every single week and I hope to see you on the next video. Thank you so much for watching.